product kasi
199?
twice lang pinahid sa akin. Kasi na-aksidente ako na biglang nagpreno yung driver ng jeep. Inasa dulo ako yung impact nung bigat ng mga tao. Ito lang April. So, April Tuesday yung last week. Then, buti na nasagang ko dito. Ito medyo lubog pa to. Buti naharang ko. Kung hindi siguro, basag yung ribs ko, pati yung breast ko, yung liver ko. Ay siguro mamatay ako dahil ang lakas ng impact. So nasagang ko dito. So ngayon, grabe yung pain ko dito. Hindi ako nagpa-doktor kasi takot ako. Pero alam ko na parang nabugbog lang siya. So ito dito, ang sakit, masakit siya. Hindi ako makaubo. Pag umubo ako, ang sakit talaga. Pero kanina, yung atching ako, wala nang pain. Wala na siyang pain. Tsaka pag nagbuhat ako, pagkagising ko kanina, wala nang pain. Wala na, hindi na ako nahihirapan.
Kailan ka pinahiran ng product mo?
Kahapon lang. Kagabi lang. Twice ako pinahiran. Kaya, the best.
Yun, na-relieve na yung pain.
Na-relieve na, pero may konting pang pain. May konti na lang yung pain.
Pero usually kasi pag bumabangon kayo,
pag bumabangon ako, masakit.
Yeah.
Pero kaninang umaga, wala na. Nakakabangon na ako ng, yung natural na bangon talaga.
Pag nagbangon kayo, binubuhat kayo
dati.
Nung anak niya?
Na anak ko, sabi ko, iyanom niyo ako. Kasi masakit. Pero kaninang umaga, wala.
Ikaw na bumangon sa sarili?
Ako na nagbangon sa sarili ko. Pero mayroon pa siyang maga dito. Pero konti na lang yung pain.
Yung pain, yun ang
Wow.
Kaya talagang maganda yung product talaga.
Anong ginamit ng product, ma'am?
Yeah, ginamit ko yung Somaderm.
Yun,
amazing product talaga.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Lord.
Sino po tayo, ma'am?
Ako po si Tess Saison. Thank you to Miss Senny. Siya ang nag-introduce sa akin ng product. Somaderm. Maganda itong product kasi siya, topical, no? Hindi nakakatakot. Irarab lang siya. Transdermal. So, mape-penetrate na yung blood, yung cells natin, and then madi-distribute na yung bisa ng product sa blood natin, sa cells. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning. In business, kailangan talaga good morning. For there is hope down. But I would like to share what I've experienced in Valley Verde without knowing the Somaderm product. But suddenly, I was invited by Doc Ryan. My trust is on him because he never recommend me a product which is not good. Now, I met Sir Victor, and then they discussed me about the product. And then without knowing that the Somaderm is so effective, and I tried. I put in my shoulder, which I'm suffering for almost 4 months. I have a frozen shoulder starting October, and then I put in my back without knowing that Somaderm is very effective. Then I used to lift up my shoulder, and then sabi ko, what's the matter? And then sabi ko, what's this? Somaderm, very good. Sabi ko, very good. Why? My frozen shoulder is gone. And then my daughter suffered a migraine. I was in the province and she called me, "Mom, I need to go to hospital." Sabi ko, "Why?" Sabi diyan yung migraine daw niya, matake na naman daw. Sabi ko, "Mom, I want to go to hospital." Sabi ko, "Wait muna, anak. I was not there. I'm here in the province." Sabi ko diyan, "I think you could try the Somaderm." And then one of my daughter is a biological engineer. "No, I just want to read pa." Sabi lang din. Sabi ko, no, sabi ko, it's external. Pag external naman yan, application, so no effect. Because, sabi ko na gano'n, yung sister mo, umiiyak na. I heard crying. She cried out. Then, sabi ko, "Na, open the Somaderm." And she put it in the forehead. And then, until 8 o'clock in the morning, I was trying to call her. Sabi ko diyan, "Na, bakit ngayon mo lang ako sinagot?" Sabi ng ganyan. "Kasi mama, binabantayan ko yung kapatid ko eh." "Oh," sabi siya, "sleeping." And then, sabi niya, "Wala siyang kakilos-kilos." Sabi ko, "Na, sabi ko yung kamay mo, itapat mo sa nose niya, if she's breathing, she's alive." Sabi ng gano'n, "Mama, nagbe-breath natin." Sabi ko, "Na, what happened?" Sabi niya, "No, Mama, it's okay. My migraine is suffering since second year high school pa siya. And then now, she's already a third year college. It was gone." So I recommend the Somaderm po, bawat isa sa inyo merong Somaderm for emergency use. Kasi totoo, that the hospital is there, that the doctor is there. Pero yung mga instant na hating gabi, biglang susumpong sa inyo, meron kayong first aid. Pagdating nyo dun sa hospital, magbiyahe kayo. It takes minutes, it takes an hour. So yung pagpunta ninyo dun, na-relieve na yung nararamdaman nyo. So, I recommend that the Somaderm, bawat isa meron sa bahay. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Ate Sen. Okay.